Hey guys, welcome back. I work with you. Today we are decorating the house for Valentine's Day. I'm going to do the kitchen and a tiny bit in the living room, and we're using mostly natural, like real flowers. And I'm also going to bake some peppermint chocolate cookies, and we're going to make a simmer pot out of some flowers that I have left over from a couple weeks ago. So let's go ahead and get into it. Here are the flowers that I picked up from the store just now. I'm going to get them in a big container of water because I'm not ready to use them yet. And these are the ones that I'm going to take out and put in the simmer pot.
Dancing while the spring's still here. They don't make things 'cause they know what's coming. We try to wash away our broken years, but it's so hard in the cold summer. They're slowing down to get their sleep. They've had enough bringing life to others, but I still don't know what else to
I have got my water going, and then over here I've just sliced up a cucumber and then this blood orange, and I've got some flowers right there. But I wanted to show y'all what I'm working on now. This is super relaxing and we're just hanging out. Okay, so on my Pinterest I've just been getting some ideas, and I saw this is a pressed flower art, and it's stained glass. So I've seen things like this before where you dry out the flowers and then you put them in the frame. Now I don't have a frame where there's glass on the back of it. I just got this from the Dollar Tree, and it's a little 4x6 one, and it's got the pretty gold on the front. I thought this would be a really cute DIY to do with y'all, but because this is like cardboard right there, I'm just going to leave the white here. And then it would be good to replace this white with some other kind of paper, like maybe a really pretty, like vintage looking paper, which I actually have some of that, but I'm going to use this for today. But I think even using construction paper, just something that's more dry than this like satiny feel. But I'm still going to just display this for y'all so you can get the idea.
dream up a world of pirates, climb the highest tree, fall down. Mama, I'm fine, don't worry. Go back out, you sail home, sweet home, where the ships must go to get all cleaned up and put away. Call it a day.
I think for my first time, this is really pretty, and it's just something for y'all to have inspiration from. How cute is that? So these flowers are not actually dry. I'm gonna have to take them out later, but I am going to use this as decor today just to give y'all an idea. These are my old flowers that I was using for about 2 weeks. I've noticed when you buy flowers in the colder months, they seem to last a lot longer. Also, when you put flowers in a container that is solid, it stays dark down here, which kind of gives the flowers an idea that they're underground, because the roots themselves, even though these aren't roots, they're stems, but like the stems are not getting sunlight. So I think that is another tip for y'all if you were wondering. But this one just bloomed yesterday, so some of these aren't bad. I may repurpose some of them, but you can see some of these are like withering away, so we're going to put those in the pot. I've got it to a boil, but I'm going to go ahead and turn it down to like 4 or 3, just so it can simmer and not be boiling. And you can just pinch these right off the top and put them in your pot. How cool is that, to repurpose flowers, and it's going to make your home smell so beautiful. Plus, we can't forget our fruit. We're going to put that in there too. So let's go ahead and do that now.
Fight off 1,000 monsters hiding in the sands on Mars. Hijack a flying saucer, steady on the hand. Fly home, sweet home, where the saucers go to get all cleaned up and put away. Call it a day.
This already smells so good, so I'm gonna let that simmer. I turned it all the way down to 2 so that it doesn't start to boil. Smells amazing. The next thing I'm gonna do is cut these to size and spread them around the house. So I'll show you what these look like whenever I am done. And then we'll get into baking the cookies. And I also got some apple fritters to put on the side, and we're going to put them on a tray to make them look really pretty.
The sky is blue, the sun is high, sitting here on my own. I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll. And to me that's alright.
I love how all my flowers turned out. Now I'm going to go through my Valentine's Day decor and put out a little bit in the kitchen and living room. Maybe, I don't know if I'm going to put anything in the living room. I love just having that there. I do have like this flower hat box looking thing with they're preserved flowers, but I actually don't think I'm going to use them. I love how colorful these are, and that one's in like a black velvet hat box. That's all I can describe it. But I am going to go see what I can find and sprinkle some throughout here. I love the decor to be minimal because it's less mess. I don't have to constantly pick up things and dust underneath it and stuff like that. So let's do this. Alright, so here's how everything turned out. This, I thought it looked really cute just draped over that. And then I put that one over there. I've got this little love sign. That looked really nice because it just kind of blends in with the wall so it's not super busy. And then over here, I put these little things. I just stacked them. And on the other side it has Be Mine and Hugs and Kisses. I'm not much for things that have a lot of words on them, at least not inside the home, but I do have a sign on the door that I'll show y'all that has some wording on it. But I thought that looked cute, just kind of angled like that, just to help close the gap a little bit. I like that there. Didn't do anything over here, left this how it is. And then the sign on the door says Love Shack, which is funny because it's like a little camper and we live in a mobile home park, so I thought that was super cute. And I didn't buy anything other than the flowers today. I just used all this decor that I had last year, and all of the pieces like this were actually gifted to me by Megan from Abundantly Meg, Love Meg. I'm sure y'all have heard of her. But yeah, so I had some Valentine's decor to use because I had never decorated for Valentine's before last year. And to finish out the video, I made these cookies. They're the Toll House brand, and then these are apple fritters, and I got mine from Food Lion. But this is just an idea. If y'all have muffin mix, if you like to bake from scratch, whatever you have on hand, don't feel like you have to go out to the store and buy a bunch of sweet treats to display in your kitchen. But like, how sweet would this be for all the people you love in your life to bake something, or if you are like me, just buy it already made. I'm contradicting myself, but you get the idea. Y'all can work with what you have, and it's a little sweet thing to do for all the people that you love and for yourself. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming and watching today's video. I will see you all back here tomorrow for another video. I upload Monday through Friday at 5 p.m. and it's always homemaking videos, and sometimes I'll sprinkle in like a haul or something like that into the video. So I will see you then. Bye!